Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. Today, we will be discussing on a very common disease, and this disease name is cancer. I have divided this cancer topic into two parts since the topic is very vast. Okay, the subject teacher will be Imenungba, and if you have any doubt or queries related to this topic, you can contact the concerned subject teacher. Okay, let's go on with the introduction to cancer. When we have a look on the word cancer, no need to get scared. If you take precautions and prevention, it is prevented. And it is one of the most treated disease of human being and is a major cause of death all over the world. And when we have a look on our country, India, millions of people die every year because of this disease. So let us learn what is cancer. Cancer is an uncontrolled growth and proliferation of the skin or of the cells of the body. That means uncontrolled growth, and these are taking place because of cell division. And the type of cell division is mitotic cell division. Keep in mind, mitotic cell division. And thus they grow rapidly and they start to compete for nutrients with the various kinds of cells. We have got various kinds of the cells, yes, and so they compete for nutrients, and thus they destroy the organ, they destroy the balance, they destroy the structure of an organism. The next topic is carcinogen. Carcinogen means those substance or material that cause cancer. We call it carcinogen. The physical, chemical and biological agents which brings about uncontrolled proliferation cells are called carcinogen. Okay, those substances that cause cancer. We have got three types. One is physical carcinogen, chemical carcinogen, and the other one is tumor virus. Physical carcinogen include like X-ray, UV ray, and gamma ray. Physical carcinogen include like aniline, dye, and various kinds of chemicals that is present in tobacco that we used. And the third one is the virus which caused the tumor. Okay, the next topic is protooncogenes. Okay, when we have a look on the term proto means first. Okay, oncogenes means oncology, right or not? The branch of science that deal with the study of cancer, we call it oncologies, and the genes that deal with the cancer, we call it oncogenes. Okay, when we have a look on a human body, every individual have got this protooncogenes. Okay, but these protooncogenes may remain dormant. Okay, and they may become activated, and once they become activated, when these protooncogenes come in contact with carcinogenic agent, they become activated, and so we call it as cancer cell. Inactive cancer causing genes are called protooncogenes. Protooncogenes become activated when exposed to carcinogenic agent, and this transformation occurs due to mutation on their genetic material, that is the DNA, and control on cell division is being lost. Before we proceed, let us try to learn the common difference between a normal and a cancer cell. When we have a look on the cancer cell, it is the lifespan of the cancer cell is not definite. It will grow till a person is alive. Next, normal cells, it has got definite lifespan. The second point, when we have a look, is unregular and uncontrolled manner. That means it will keep on growing. While when we have a look on the normal cells, it has got some certain manner or certain regulated pattern. Okay. Next, third one, do not show the cells do not have contact inhibitions. While in case of normal cells, it shows contact inhibitions. Cancer cells do not undergo differentiation, while in normal cells they undergo normal differentiation. Fifth one, the cells not remain ether and have lost cell-to-cell contact, while in case of normal cells, they will remain attached to cell and they will remain ether. Okay, that's one. Let us go on to the next one, that is type of tumors. The new and abnormally growing tissue called neoplasm further increase in size and form tumor. And this tumor may be cancerous or may not be cancerous. It is of two types. Okay. The first one is benign or non-malignant. The second one is malignant tumor. When we have a look on, let us keep the difference between the two. Out of these two, one is of limited growth and the other one is non-limited growth. Okay, where first one, let us go on with the benign or non-malignant tumor. That means first one is non-cancerous and it is not that much dangerous. While we have a look on this malignant tumor, this is the cancerous one and it is very dangerous and it may spread from one organ to the another tissues. The growth of malignant tumor is very fast, while in case of benign it is very slow and that does not cause that much damage, while this malignant cause various kinds of damage and it may lead to the death of a person. Again, this cancer can be of four types. Okay, four types based on which they developed. First one is sarcomas. Okay, I would say the sarcomas are those malignant tumor arising in tissues derived from embryonic mesoderm. That means they are derived from the embryonic mesoderm. That means they include like cancer of bone, muscle, lymph node and connective tissue. The second one is carcinomas. Okay, those tumor or cancer that is arising from this epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue, that means epithelial means they include like skin. Okay, cancers, skin cancer, lungs, breast, stomach and pancreas. Third one is melanomas. These are the tumor that arises from melanocyte of skin and other organs. They include like superficial melanoma, mucosal melanoma, and nodular melanoma, etc. The last one is leukemia or lymphomas. These are cancer of hematopoietic cells, that means related with our blood. Okay, they include like leukemia, that means the what is that, well, blood cancer. Okay, these are the four type of cancer cells. That let us learn the last one for today, cause of cancer. Some of the main cause of cancer are as follows. Number one, overexposure to ionizing radiations like X-ray, UV ray and gamma ray. If you are exposed to such kind of ray, that means the protooncogenes in your body will become activated and they become cancerous. Second one is chemicals like nicotine, caffeine, steroid and air pollutant may cause cancers of lungs, brain, breast or blood. Suppose if you consume tobacco, okay, that which contains nicotine, the high chances are there. Okay, we should avoid such kind of things. Next is third one is chronic physical abrasion of skins. That means if you keep on scratching or if you get hurt in the same place all the time, it may lead to abrasion of the skin and it may lead to the cause of the cancer. Next is chewing of betel leaves, tobacco, heavy smoking causes mouth and lung cancer respectively. We know that. Next one is protooncogenes identified in normal cells undergo activation also could lead to cancer. These are the cause of the cancer. Remaining part will be concluded in cancer part 2. Thank you.